Hello everyone. Today I'll be discussing about the case of in re delay in release of convicts after grant of bail. On July 16, a suo motu cognizance was taken by a bench led by Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana, Justice Nageshwar Rao, and Justice Surya Kant on the issue related to the delay in the prisoners getting released even after bail orders. So, this was the problem that they were addressing in this particular case. And the Supreme Court was thinking of implementing a system to electronically transmit bail orders to prisons so that the release of prisoners on bail will not be delayed. Right now, the procedure that has been carried on is that the bail orders come in papers and those papers are kept in the post box outside the jail, and then the jail authorities take those papers, see them, and release the prisoners. But in this whole process, the prisoners get delayed in their release even after getting the bail. And for keeping this thing in mind, the Supreme Court is trying to implement a faster system. Here, faster stands for fast and secure transmission of electronic records, and this system proposes the transmission of e-authenticated copies of the interim orders, stay orders, bail orders, and record of proceedings to the duty holders for compliance and due execution through a secured electronic communication channel. And for this purpose, the bench has directed and asked the state governments and union territories about the details, whether efficient internet facilities are available in their respected prisons or not. And keeping this thing in mind, 19 states up till now have submitted the compliance reports, affidavits with regard to the availability of internet facilities in the prisons. But on what basis this suo motu cognizance was taken? What were the instances on the basis of which this particular case was taken into consideration by the Supreme Court? The first instance is a newspaper report which stated that the convicts which were there in the Agra Central Jail were not released even after 3 days of the order granting them bail. So this thing let the Supreme Court to get into this matter and see what are the reasons, what are the problems that results in the delay of release, in the delay in releasing the prisoners. And the next case is the recent case of Mr. Aryan Khan, in which Aryan Khan got delayed in getting his release. The reason was Mr. Aryan Khan was in Arthur jail, and the practice that was used in Arthur jail was there is a post box that is kept outside the jail where the release orders are to be kept, and the box will not be cleared after 5:30 p.m. So the process through which that was needs to be followed was, first was the bail order of Aryan Khan was uploaded by the Bombay High Court on 3:30 on that particular day. After that bail order was uploaded, the surety had to appear before the trial court for executing the bail bond. In this particular case, the bail bond was of 1 lakh rupees and surety was actress Juhi Chawla. So the session court issued the release order after accepting the surety around 6:30 p.m. So despite the release order, Khan had to spend one more night in the prison because the prison official said that the release orders delivered after 5:30 p.m. cannot be processed and no special treatment can be given to him. So these were the instances from which we can see that how prisoners get delayed in getting release even after getting the bail order. I hope this video was helpful to all of you. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.